So, because of the increase of these gases that I mentioned here, there's going to be an increase in greenhouse gases, and that leads to what? Well, some of these gases can lead to acid rain. What else? No. I put acid rain. What does the greenhouse gases lead to? Global warming. All right. So, what produces methane? Main production of methane in farming. Huh? Waste from what? Animal waste. So we're going to say cattle produces methane. Not just in their waste, but also in gases. Their gases are methane. So when they flatulate, anybody ever heard that word?
Yes.
Okay. Nitrous oxide.
Global warming is the one that goes in the increased part.
So methane is a greenhouse gas, and greenhouse gases lead to global warming. All these gases down here are greenhouse gases, and they're all produced during farming. What produces nitrous oxide? During farming. So if you know it's tractors, good. Any burning of fossil fuels and fertilizers. If I mention what type of burning of fossil fuels leads to nitrous oxide, it's going to be your tractors or your plow machines, your planes to fly with the pesticides, that type of thing. What produces carbon dioxide during farming?
Animal respiration.
Good. Animal respiration. What else? That's actually a great point, and I'm going to add that. So people cut down forests in order to produce farmlands, and that it doesn't necessarily produce carbon dioxide, but it stops getting rid of it. So in that sense, it leads to excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And as mentioned, we're also talking about respiration, okay, from animals. Or cellular respiration from plants.
Respiration and then the bottom.
Forest elimination to produce farmlands. And then what produces water during farming? Wow.
I just thought it was the sprinklers.
Thank you. Of course, irrigation systems. So for the test, you have to know that nitrous oxides or nitrogen compounds are mainly produced from fertilizer. Methane is mainly produced from cattle. And then you also have burning of fossil fuels, produces both of these. And then water from irrigation, okay? So another major problem with air pollution is the increased use of pesticides. In order to grow crops in a higher, with a higher yield, they are increasing the use of pesticides to avoid any complication with the crop. And there's so many problems with pesticide, it's its own category of problems associated with farming. But pesticides are a chemical that get released into the atmosphere and then cause all sorts of problems if they don't break down.